Welcome to Kushlan Products. Today, we are going to walk you through the simple and efficient process of assembling the Kushlan 350DD cement mixer. Let's dive right in and start assembling. Place the wheels inside the frame with the long end facing outward. Insert the wheelbarrow axle through the frame, into the first tire, then through the axle tube spacer, and finally through the second tire. Once the wheelbarrow axle is in place, insert the 5/8 steel washer followed by the bar clip at the end of the axle to secure it. Remove the nuts from the 4 longer mounting bolts located at its center. Then install the gear motor by first placing the flat washers onto all 4 studs, followed by the lock washers, and then the nuts. Once all hardware is in place, tighten each nut to 10 inch-pounds of torque to ensure the gear motor is securely fastened and properly seated. Attach the bushing flange and rubber washer to the back of the drum with screws. Tighten the nuts inside the drum to secure. Insert the carriage bolts into the bottom hole and the side holes of the drum. Then install the blades inside the drum and secure them using the Whizlock nuts. Attach the bushing and flange with the drum by aligning their pre-drilled holes with the shaft, then secure them in place. Next, install the motor cover using the 5/16 x 1/2 Whizlock screws and nuts, securing it firmly in place. Finally, install handles from front to back and secure with lock pins that are attached to the frame. Install grips and you are done.